Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you how to change region and language on the McDonald's app. So, in order to do this, simply navigate to the McDonald's application. Now, after opening the application, you will see this interface. Here, you have Home, Deals, McDelivery, Food and a three-dotted icon at the bottom corner of the screen that says More. Simply click on this three-dotted icon that says More and it will show you the More menu. Here, you'll be able to find restaurants, your account, feedback, contact page, privacy policy, help and support, and at the bottom of this page, you will see region and language. So we are going to click on this region and language button. Now, this will instantly take you to this page where you will see your current region and the language of the app. Now, simply click on the first option that says region and it will show up your current country. Click on that country's icon and it will show you this page. Here, click on the search icon and search for the region and language that you want to change to. So I will search for a country. Now I will choose that country. Now after selecting your country, you can click on the language option below language and it will show up the language that you can change to according to your location. So choose the language that you want to change to and click on continue. Now when you click on continue, the app will start again and it will load up the app's interface in the language you chose. So that is the simple way to change country and language on the McDonald's app. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.